So hey guys, it's nothing exciting on this video, but I just wanted to share this with you. If you remember, I put the Mishimoto intake in. Well, I went ahead and I picked up the OEM clips here. If you remember the two I broke. I tried to find different ones at the hardware store, but none of them fit that great. They kind of rattled around in there. So, you know, these things are kind of pricey for what they are. There's a part number for them. They list, I think, at $4 a piece, believe it or not. But I went ahead and I got two of them, got them for like $3.40, my local dealer. It's like almost $7 for both of them. That's a lot for what it is, but I just like the OEM look and I didn't want some makeshift clip in there. So here's the two, if you remember. Now I've been driving like this for a while and it's been holding fine, but it does move around a little bit. You know, I mean, I didn't hear any rattling, but I just don't like having like clips missing. So here they are right here. Pretty basic to put in. The main thing I can say so you don't snap the ears off of them is the bottom part you have to get all the way down in the hole before you push the top. So I'll show you. I get this one in here. So you just make sure with your finger that the bottom piece is all the way down and then you push the top in and it snaps. If it's not all the way down the bottom piece and you push and it's really hard to push the top, then it's not seated all the way. Don't try to force it because that's how you'll snap the ears off. And they are really brittle. So if you see here, there's some play in it. So you kind of need to push this piece of plastic down as you're putting the clip in. Because at first I tried and it wouldn't go in. It's because that piece of plastic kind of is up a little bit compared to the body of the car. So now that it's in, it looks better. The best advice I could say is when you take them out, you get a little flathead screwdriver and you just put it underneath them and wiggle real gently and the top will pop up. And then you just take your fingers and pull it out. What a lot of people do, they put like a screwdriver in here and they pry like this and it snaps them because they're not designed like that. So if you just put it in and wiggle it left and right, like rock it back and forth, it'll come out. So, you know, it'll save you a few bucks, especially if you broke them all. So hope that helps you guys. Just something quick I want to share with you, and I will catch you guys next time.